Welcome back. I'm going to just hop right in and we are going to get into learning how to back test. Okay. So after each, I guess you would say, section of um, once we start getting into trading, of after we've learned how to set our support and resistance lines, our trend lines, and we're practicing the break and retest. This is what you guys are going to be doing. You're going to be back testing. Okay. You're not going to be trading in the live market yet. You're going to back test it and you're going to just keep practicing and practicing it. And so I want to show you how to back test. This is how you would back test. You would hit this bar replay and you would go back to, wherever. Just say that you want to do it right there. Okay. So it'll rewind basically all the way back to there. You can also change. So if you're on the 4-hour, you can, mark up on the 4-hour right there, do all that jazz, go down to the 1-hour, mark up on the 1-hour, go down to the 30-minute, go down to the 15-minute, and then move this back up. Okay. And so we know right here, this is how you back test. You can't, so say that, hold on. So say that you back tested, you click the back test button and then you started marking up what price is doing. There's like a little stop right there. The minute zone. Let's see another one right over here. You can't set alarms on here when you're back testing. So there's no way to be able to do that. But what you can do is this. So you want to go down to, if you have it at 10, like it's just going to shoot through and it's going to be too fast and you're not going to be able to emulate like it's the real market and as if you were getting in an actual trade. I would recommend it being at like 0.3 to 0.5. And then, once it breaks this and then you see it retest, then you're able to hit like sell or buy, right? Or if you don't want to do that, you're going to have like your demo account or paper trading set up to have this buy or sell right here. So let's so just say that if you were just back testing and you're like, okay, you just wanted to utilize the, short position or long position tool. And as soon as it breaks, then you would grab that. Let's do a little replay. And then right here is to pause it. As soon as it breaks and closes, then I'll do a pause. Okay. And then if you wanted to rewind, then you can utilize this, right? It'll bring that back up so you can rewind. So I'm going to rewind it right back to there where it broke at. And I'm going to be like, sweet, it broke, it closed. Let me grab this short position and, let me just have that on there so you could put your stop loss like right under, right above this, right? leave it some room just because of spread, or you could have it at the top of this area, okay? Just in case that it shoots back up and it grabs all of this money that's sitting right there, okay? So safe bet would be something like right there. Something right there, about a 20 pip stop loss. So let's just see. That's not even a 1-to-1, but I would probably take it to somewhere down there. This market structure right here. See that? And that gives you about a 1-to-1. But let's see it in play mode. What happens? It's going a little bit slow. And if you wanted to speed it up, you could, since you kind of already have this set up. So you could hit that button and just be like, all right, speed this thing up. See what it does. Messing around right there. Ooh, and that was a stop loss. So it did grab that and we were not high enough. So that would have been a loss, right? Right there, it peaked out. And then it went and hit. I'm trying to get this off. Okay, so that is the importance of back testing. And as you can see, it's still kind of like in this range, right? So let's play it out. It kind of peeked through right there. Let's put it down. Yeah, move this trend line. Moved it there. So after that happened, where it got you out right there, you can always move, you know, that move is now invalid, right? Because it already happened. So you can move your trend line. So there's that 1 point right there, right? That's our second point, our third point. So let's rewind this, okay? I mean, and this is with me taking trades without looking at where the market is at right now. But I'm just trying to show you guys exactly how to utilize this and the importance of bar replay. So let's take it back. Let's take it back right there. Let's wait for it to break. Do that. Oh, didn't break and close. Let's see. All right. Did that one break and close? Okay, so we gotta take it back, go right there. Okay, and see how it broke right there? So we're just gonna wait for the retest, some further confirmation to take this down. So we're going to grab our short position. Let's bring it, and then we're going to take it down to here. You could put it up right there, or the safer bet right up here, right above this market structure area. And let's wait for it to retest. And I'm going to show you how to utilize this, okay? If you want to demo trade on here, which it really depends. Like if you're going to demo trade on TradingView, then you need to find a broker that TradingView has on here that you can connect with. Okay, I think like forex.com and some others are on there. But if your broker is going to be on the MT4 or MT5 app, then I recommend utilizing the MT4 and MT5 app. That is where majority of the traders' calls and my trade ideas are going to be coming from, is going to be on the MT4 MT5 app. So it's preference. Let's see. So let's press play. And I was just showing you how to utilize the demo, okay? So, I mean, it went pretty fast, right? So pretty much if it's pretty simple, right? You want to take a sell, you'd hit the sell, okay? You want to buy, you'd hit the buy button. If you want to get out of the trade, you would flatten it, okay? And then it says buy right here, okay? But it just means that you got out of the trade right there. And then, so that's how you utilize that. I'll have another video specifically on how to demo trade, how to connect your brokers on the TradingView platform, and then the paper trading for that. So don't worry about that. We're just focusing on how to do bar replay and back test right now. So that was a 1-to-1. We got that. Let's clear this off. Let's see what the market is doing. So that move played out. Let's see some more. Let some market structure play out. You don't want to just keep going in and out of the market when you're trading. Like you want really good setups, okay? And you're robbing the bank. Think of it, the concept of you robbing the bank, and then you keep going back to the bank and you're going to get caught up. Like, no, don't keep going back. Like you have to have a time, not a time limit, but a limit of how many times you're either going to trade in a day, how many times, like, and this is going to be all in the trade plan section, but how many times you're going to trade in the day, how many trades, if you lose a trade, how many are you going to, here, let's stop this so we can pay attention. How many like trade losses that you're going to be like, okay, I'm done. Like, is it 2? Is it 2 losses? Like I lost 2 times. Or is it going to be a percentage? Like, okay, if I lose 1% of my account, I'm done trading for the day. If you have a $10,000 account, 10% of that, right? So what about if you have it as a dollar amount set, or if you have a limit, like 1 time, 2 time loss, I'm done for the day and I need to regroup, get my head together. So those are things that are going to be in another module. But I just wanted you to know, like when you're practicing and you're back testing, like do it as if you are actually doing and playing with real money. This is a live trade, right? Otherwise, you're just going to keep getting in and out, in and out, in and out. So let's see. Let's see if it breaks this zone right here and it starts going up. Let's see if we can take this thing up like this. Do something like that. Or you could have did something like that. It broke, it's retesting, it may go down, right? It's a game of probabilities. Okay, let's speed this thing up just a little bit. And then after this one, we're going to be done with this module. Whoa. Wow. Okay. It's giving us indication that it wants to go up. So let me move this. But this wouldn't have been confirmation enough for me to get in because like, look at that swing up and then bam, went back down. So let's give it some more time. See what these candles do. Now it's just writing the line. Okay, that's a break. Let's slow it down. Let's see. Let's do it. So we want it to surpass that. We put it under here. And let's look left. Any market structure to the left. Oops, let's go back to 4 hour. Oh, data point isn't available. What? So sometimes TradingView will do that on here. Oh my goodness. Really? Let's reset the chart. It just went out. Okay, let's do one more replay. It's 1 hour. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. And let's play it out, see if it can, or you can retest that for a buy. So we're not going to trade in this box. We're waiting for it to come up, push away, come back down, and then take it to this next zone. Or, right, if you want to look left, you're like, I don't trust taking it that far up the zone, then you look left, right? And you see some data points where the market stopped before. So we know, okay, it stopped there before and right there, right? So we have a pretty good solid data point. So if you wanted, you can just take it there. I'm not sure how that risk reward to be. I think that would be pretty good. Let's see, long position, get in there, there. Oops. So there, that's not too great. Yeah, it's not. So I would either, if you're too scared to get in this and you're like, it's not too good, and you are kind of iffy of taking it to the next zone like that, then just stay out. But let's see. Let's see what this does. We're not in the trade yet. Remember, we're waiting for it to break up here. Once it breaks and retests, we're getting up. Okay. So this is, we're not in the trade. Waiting for it to break right here. Okay, so this is right around the area where we can start looking to enter. And remember, this is actually still pretty fast for the bar to move because each bar is 15 minutes. Okay. This is like seconds that it's moving. Okay. So right around here, right, we would be like, widen this so you can see it. So right around here, so one thing about like, let's take that off. Okay, so right around, let's make this thick and so you guys can see. So right around there, you see it rejecting, right? It like broke this candle, it broke through, it closed above, it went back down and it's retesting this area that it just broke through, that candle broke through, right? It's retesting it. So you're seeing like, oh, okay, rejection, rejection. You might want to think about getting in here after, 2 rejections. Okay. I'd say 1 to 3. And then you're in the trade. And let's see if it takes it up to there. Let's put the bar replay in. Let's speed this up. There we go. Bam. And that was a 1 to 1.74, almost a 1 to 2. So that is how you use bar replay. You can exit out of it right there. And that is pretty much it. Let's stop the share. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you, what was it I was going to show you? Oh yeah, the TradingView demo. So I'll show you how to connect to the TradingView paper trading and then to connect your account, your personal broker account to TradingView. That's only if TradingView has it available. But see you on the next video.